Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can force restart your Apple Watch Series 10. So if your watch became unresponsive or you are simply experiencing some issues with the touchscreen, you can force reboot your watch by simultaneously pressing and holding both side button and digital crown for 10 seconds. And once the Apple logo appears on your screen, that will mean that the forced restart procedure has been initialized successfully. So let's wait for it to occur. Yep, here it is. And you are golden, so your Apple Watch will be rebooted into its normal operating state, hopefully, of course. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below this video. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.